Okay, so what's up, guys? So welcome in today's video, right? So there are more and many online resources which you can use to learn what Python programming, right? So there is a learning actually from the Python website, and also through W3 schools or the choice which I'm checking for now, they have at CS something 50 course. Okay, EDX, right? That's the Harvard website. Then I have to click on it so that I'll be able to log in. Yeah, so you can sign up using your email address. That's what I used. There is also an option to use what can I say, your what your Facebook account, but well, I'm choosing the email one.